Kwa nini hujatoa mayai ya kawaida? Ama mlichelewa kupatia hata chakula? Kwa sababu kuna joto. Inafaa wewe unazishughulikia mapema ndio nazo pia ziweze kuendelea vizuri. Leta maji. Naona zikirukaruka huku sana. Tuone kama zitaendelea vizuri. Pia mayai tutaweza kuongezea. My name is Arina Keheka and I have a family of 10 members who depend on me. Okay, before I started rearing chicken, I had so many problems because I came here as an IDP and this was my first investment which I started with. So before I came to start rearing chicken, I had so many challenges because even getting food was a problem, paying school fees was a problem. I could not sustain my family to get food. So we were starving in a way because of the challenges, because I didn't have anything at hand. But by the time I started this project, that's where my life started changing, and I came up to stand, at least to be in a position to sustain my family in so many ways, even though it is not enough up to now. Okay, these are indigenous chicken. They are not crossbreed. And I started just with one, which I bought at 100 shillings. Then later I bought another one. They started breeding from one. At least I had some. After brooding the eggs, I got 15 chicks, which I continued rearing. And after that, I took some more eggs. After brooding, I got some more 10 chicks, which I continued rearing. So up to now, I have around 20, of which I'm rearing, and I'm looking forward to improve and get more, so that I can enlarge my stock. Okay, as I have been rearing this chicken, at least I have been getting eggs, which I normally sell sometimes to get money for food, and also I use eggs as food. And then thereafter, I normally sell eggs because I'm in a circle where I do save money. So I normally get my savings from selling eggs, because whenever I sell, at least I have something to use and something to save. That helps me in many ways, because whenever I save in a circle, I can easily take a loan and pay school fees for my children. To some extent, I can take a loan, buy even a sheep that I also rear. From the same chicken, I normally get manure, because I'm also a small-scale farmer. I normally plant horticultural foods, which I normally use for my family, because I don't have enough shamba for cultivating. So the little I get, I normally put my efforts at least to produce something besides this chicken, where I use manure to improve the soil of my shamba, at least to get some food for my family. So I do continue to do the breeding, even though it is still down. I'm sure the little I have has sustained me for some times, and I'm able at least to make a difference in life, even though it is not enough. I'll request whoever is in position at least to help me with the hatchery, because here in my home I have a place where I can construct a structure to use for rearing chicken. But the only thing I think can help me to improve my stock is having a hatchery whereby I can brood my own eggs to get so many chicks, whereby I'll continue rearing them to bring them up, and then even sell the chicks to get money. Because having a hatchery means at least it is an advancement in a way that I'll have my own chicks and I'll have some for sale. So I'll improve my marketing and my rearing. So I'll be in position at least to get money to sustain myself, to improve my savings in my circle, and also to do in a way that I'll be able to expand my business of chicken rearing. Okay, I also have neighbors who are in need, and if they can also be given at least a chick to start with, that will improve their life, and as a community we shall be able to come up and have that project that will sustain and help many people in my community because of just one chick that they will be given to rear. Okay, apart from chicken rearing, I think I can also be able to rear other livestock like cattle, sheep, goats, so that I can also expand my project in farming. Because even cattle rearing provides more as it depends on how life is. And if I can get somebody to support me in that, I'll also do it because I have a compound and I have a space where I can construct a structure for the animals. So it is not expensive for me to do it because I have a place. It is only that I can't afford getting one. Okay, I thank the Kenya Goat Company, which has helped us through other people who are near us and who are able to reach us easily. So it is my sincere gratitude to them in the way that they have come up to help us at least to achieve something in life and to be able to stand in a way that we can help others as we help ourselves through the Kenya Goat Company.